Hi, let's talk about pre-sale planning of your home. What to do and also what not to do when selling your home. It's important to know that not all upgrades and things remodeling that you do to your home will get you profit back. What we like to do first is examine a home for what money and what energy and what time will get us the most profit when we sell a home. So we walk through your home and we help you prepare and plan for those upgrades. Now, here's 4 services that we offer at Hines Realty Group that most of our competitors don't offer. Remodel and realty services, minor to full rehab. What that means is some homes only need minor touch-ups, cosmetics just to finish the picture so it's perfect when a buyer walks through. Some homes haven't been remodeled for 15, 20 years, and $1 in for an upgrade could get $3 out when we go to sell. So from any minor touch-ups to full remodel rehabs is what we help out with here at Hines Realty Group. Our contractors and our material suppliers give up to 25% discounts, as well as our contractors give fleet pricing. Since we give them so much work, our prices are at least 25% more than what they would charge a person who only gives them one job a year. Remodel rehab loans. So if you are behind on some money, don't have the full money to rehab and remodel your home, we can get you a loan so you have that money so you can remodel that home. What that looks like is if it costs $30,000 to do the remodel, what we're suggesting, then you get $50,000 or $80,000 on the resale. That's well worth your time and effort, possibly. Not everybody has a home that needs to be remodeled. Some of you have a perfect, pristine home, and there'll be minor things. Some people need more work. What I'm pointing out is that we offer all services. Also, the planning and preparing of the remodeling, we have the services and the team to support you on that. Where to go to get the materials, matching colors, tile with the granite, all that pretty stuff. The goal is to help you get your home ready for a top dollar sale with the least amount of money out of your pocket. Here's some examples here. If you look here, the top left over to the right, this home had some vinyl flooring and they had started some projects. They started some really cool projects, but they didn't finish it. And to a seller, they're thinking, you know, it just needs a little bit of paint and, you know, a little touch-ups and the kitchen's pretty much done. But to a buyer, if you look, the cabinets are original. It needs to be finished. It's a complete different product. It's almost like if you had a picture frame with the canvas and the paint and you had it all there, but you hadn't painted the beautiful picture. Buyers need to see that beautiful picture. Most buyers lack imagination. What we did is we came through and we finished the process. Touch-up paint, all the crown molding, painted the cabinets with new hardware. It wasn't even that expensive, but we finished the picture for the home seller. Also, if you look at the picture at the bottom left here, you'll notice it just needs paint. It needs, some of the countertops have been done, some of the things have been done, but it just needed to get finished. And then you look at the one to the right, it's finished. Somebody walks in there, they fall in love, they're paying top dollar, sometimes even more than what the home would appraise for. And that's what we bring to the table. We're making sure that your money and your time goes where it needs to go, that will get you more profit when a buyer sees it. Here's an example of our extreme makeover. These folks did exactly what we suggested to do. We helped them get a $30,000 loan. We showed them that with $30,000 and our suggestions, they were going to double or even triple their money. They made over $76,000 profit, which is 300% on their money. And we sold their home for over 100% of asking price. Here's a picture of them, happy couple, enjoying their celebration dinner. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.